Hi guys, welcome back to Marantz Rantz. Plenty of good information, a little bit of motivation, a whole lot of truth, no financial advice. I'm going to give you guys a rundown right now on GameStop, AMC. We could talk Bed Bath & Beyond too, but this is one of those free-flowing conversations where I'm going to theorize what was happening this week and the last 2 weeks. Additionally, you've had everyone out there come out with their information and why they're so factually correct. And, I was out here making bold claims on Twitter for the last 3 weeks, 2 weeks, about how this is going to play out. And I'm just going to tell you right now, it is not changing, certainly not on Monday. And I can say that. I can actually say that, and people will tell you, well, you don't know until Monday happens. I do know, because I told you it was going to happen a week ago, and everyone thought that there was going to be mass roll-in on certain stocks. But let's talk about it in steps. I don't just want to paraphrase. I want to dig deep into it. So first, let's go at GameStop. GameStop's had a great run this last 2 weeks. Yes, it came down supposedly off the news of Bed Bath & Beyond selling off, and that we lost momentum as far as faith. People sold off GameStop, or it's nonsense. There's not enough volume in GameStop to even give you a real solid move, even in the upward motion. 20 million shares is not a lot on a given day, and because it's 4 times the float, right? Like initial float that we had before the split. So right now, GameStop, just in general, has about 9 million, 8 million shares a day on average. That's 2 million pre-split. But even now, right now, 9 to 10 million is not a lot on a 300 million float. It's about 2 to 3% any given day, right? So if that were the case, 2 to 3%, and I look at AMC and I'm nervous, and I tell you, and people say, well, don't talk about my stock. Guys, their float is only about 40% more than GameStop, but yet their actual volume is 500% increase. And it's every day. And why is the volume so crazy? Because people are trading, people are selling, people are losing faith in that company. And they should. I mean, the fundamentals are there, but people are telling you to hold. People are telling you to hold past said date to see what happens. And I'm telling you, I don't need to be in the car to see that accident happening. And I'm not in the car. You guys know that. I don't have this. I don't have the stock. So why do I care so much? Maybe I'm trying to give you some info, and maybe you're just sitting here with blinders on, waiting for the next guy to tell you, well, here's the theory. By Friday, the Friday that just passed, they're going to have to buy in. They need the APE. They need to give it to you. They're short the APE. Yeah. Why is this not the buy-in? Why is it here, right here? It gets announced right here at earnings. Earnings drops down in after hours, and then as you go in, it opens, and it runs. And it runs all the way for 2 days. 2 days it runs. You're telling me that's not covering? Oh, that's retail? That's FOMO? Guys, you guys have been in this stock for 2 years. There's no new additional money coming in. No one wants to go buy a share of something that's going to be split. And I'm not, hey, a stock split? Yes. Why are we disguising what it is? Why are we disguising the dilution of what it is? Just because they're giving you a separate ticker doesn't mean it's not a dilution of your said equity. 1 billion shares are now trading on AMC. Whether it's AMC, the actual stock, or APE, the coin. And you think it's going to create some mass hysteria, or it's going to... Really? They got all the APE they needed right there. They covered from $15 all the way up to $27. You don't think that's a lot of money? It's billions. Billions of market cap. Additionally, as you go through the stock for the week, not only did they get there, sell off, get there again, and sell off all the way into the damn night, they sold off in 2, the split. They're letting you know they're okay. Oh, they got to pick it up on Monday? They can. They're getting it at, what is it, 17.81. I told you it'd be below 10. Everybody called me crazy. Yeah, $8. Hell, $7 a share. I don't even know. I'm not good at math. It's $8 a share. It really is. 8 something a share. They can't cover that. They buy right back in. They get it up to what, 12? When do we all start selling off? When do you all start figuring it out? This is what they've been doing. But no, we'll go back to GameStop. Hey, GameStop, over here. How you guys doing? GameStop has no volume. No volume. On GameStop itself, and I'm just going to show you guys this, the average volume for 3 months is 12.5 million shares. On 3 months. 47 million. I'm telling you, this is 400% more volume. Does that mean that there's so many more synthetics? That's not what it means. Everyone's going to get, you're all going to get your APE. There's only 516 million shares. It's been counted 6 times. Adam Aaron's laughing at you because he knows He's going to be able to print out more money off of a vote that he wasn't even a part of. You weren't a part of. The shareholders voted in 2013. He wasn't with the company. None of those board of directors is crazy. They hold no shares. Insiders hold 0 shares. That means they have 0 incentive to do the right thing for you. No, but APE's going to give them a little bit more equity. APE's going to give them a little bit more bonuses. Oh, yeah. Did you read the fine print? RSUs and PSUs are going to have APE attached to them, even in the future. So if they have a contract right now for the last 3 years, whatever they have, in 3 years your shares get vested, APE's going to be tied to those shares because they're already in the works right now. You're getting diluted out of your stock. And no one wants to tell you this. Why do I care? I don't. I'm just giving you facts. I'm giving you info. Why don't you care? Let me ask you, why don't you care? Because I'm too direct? Because I'm too hardcore? I don't know. Why aren't you? Why aren't you so, obsessed, as people say? Oh, you're obsessed. Why are you so obsessed with me? Why are you not obsessed with your investment? You put millions in. You put hundreds of thousands. You put your life savings in. You believe in YouTubers, right? These guys are telling you to hold. You got Tony De Niro, and I don't mind saying his fucking name. I don't. Tony De Niro comes out and says, well, if people would do their due diligence, and then he keeps moving the field goal on you. Well, we'll know by Friday, and if by Friday our theory's not right, well, then, then we're wrong. Hey, Tony, your theory wasn't right. Nobody came pouring into the stock. All your followers who are buying $25 call contracts, trying to catch something. Oh, I know, you don't give out financial advice. Go watch your video from 2 days ago. Do not sell APE. I'm telling you, don't sell it. That's financial advice. I don't care what people do. It's not personal attacks here. All you guys can come on in. It's Monday. I'll do a Spaces call. We're going to do an AMC safe space. And we'll talk it out in detail. But what have I been telling you? Movies are not dead. Movies are alive and well. But that company you are in is a dead company. Just like Regal, who filed for bankruptcy. And they only owed $4.8 billion. AMC owes $300 million more than that, and they make less. Oh, yeah. AMC doesn't make any money. They burn $627 million. Cinemark? Guys, don't confuse Cineworld with Cinemark. Cinemark, $147 million cash profit on hand. That's their free cash flow. They have $700 million in the bank. They have more assets than liabilities. That's a company. Their insiders hold shares and bought shares during the pandemic. That's leadership. Movies aren't dying. That company's thriving. Good luck. Whatever. Let's touch Bed Bath & Beyond. Bed Bath & Beyond. Ryan Cohen never told me to buy it. I bought it at $4.65 live on the stream. We all were buying it. We were like, wow, this is an amazing price. At $4 and $5, yes. When it started running, I'm cool. I sold. And I sold early. I think I got 30% on my money. That was it. 30%. That's nothing. It was a $1.20 increase per share. I'll take 30s all day. I'll take base hits every day. I will. Am I a trader? Am I a day trader? No, it's just something I looked at. We talked about it. I went. A lot of other people made a lot more money than that. But Ryan Cohen didn't tell me to buy it. Just looking at it. Bottomed out. I saw it hit the bottom and I bought. But on Ryan Cohen's defense, people are coming at him because he made like 60%. Guys, nothing's going to change the world. Like, if you made some money off a stock, is that the end of the world? Do we need to do an SEC investigation? No. But if you want to go do one, go do it on all of Congress. Don't start coming after random people who make a couple of $1 million. And go to Congress. They have insider information every day, and they make plays every day. Why is everyone in Congress a millionaire? I mean, a multi-millionaire. It's crazy. Absolutely crazy. That's who they should be focusing on. But the word around town is Citadel, Susquehanna, they all went long on it on Bed Bath & Beyond. The minute they did, Adam Aaron jumped out. He left them holding the bag. Not retail. He left them holding the bag. So whether they're on long on call contracts, whatever they're on, everything's out of the money Friday. He's just wiping his hands of it, walking away, made his money. Those guys, they lose either way. You don't think Ryan Cohen's on your side? You don't think he hates shorts? I know, you guys only pay attention to shit tweets and go read Larry Chang's tweets. Go read Ryan Cohen. Go read them all, guys. These guys are definitely on retail side. the investor side. You don't have to be a rocket scientist to break down their tweets either. It's kind of just like shit memes and everything else. But whatever. I do this from time to time where I try to give you guys some insight on why I'm invested, right? Like why I follow it and what I do. The short is never the reason why I'm invested. It's the leadership and it's the company, the way it's run. But the short's just there. It's the added value. It's the, hey, if it is going on, if there is manipulation, great. Then I'm going to make more money. But I'm still making money off just fundamentals, pure fundamentals. You don't have that in AMC. In AMC, you have a hope, a wish, and a dream. It's an absolute lottery ticket. And tell me how many poor people buy lottery tickets, scratchers, or at the casino, pounding on the machine, hoping that it just hits that one time. You might find a couple of winners here and there, but it's not you. House always wins. Find a stock that you believe in. Find a stock that actually has fundamentals and invest. Do whatever you do. I don't care which one it is. But if you're telling me AMC has fundamentals and they've painted this picture that it's profitable, HYMC is under $1. It's at 86 cents, 90 cents a share. They've already lost millions in that investment. Free NFTs that are worthless on layer one that they keep giving you, and they want to keep giving you, that have crazy fees moving forward. There's cryptocurrency that they're taking at the damn theaters that's third party. It's not even direct. So I don't even understand what he's trying to do there. Are they some central bank? No. They're nothing. They're losing money on any transaction that they've done over the past year for that. They spent numerous dollars on advertising, pumping YouTubers. It's all propaganda, guys. Why can't you see the forest through the trees? Why can't you? Saturday morning, I'm going to be taking off, and I'm just like hanging out. I'm like, can I push record? Can I just talk to my guys for a second? A lot of you guys know the truth. A lot of you guys know what's coming. And I don't want to be the doom and gloom. If you got into AMC at a great price and you're going to find that, your equity's still there as long as you have APE. I always tell you, like, who's going to buy it on Monday? Who's going to buy it on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday? Like, what institution? What big investment guy is going to come in and say, you know what, this is where I want to be because half the equity is already out of the stock and it's over there in APE unit, which AMC holds 484, yes, but 484 million, once you put it on the market, it's dropping. That's it. It's gone. It dilutes the whole thing. So there's like it's a catch-22. It's really not that great. That tool is being used to take that money that no one wanted to give AMC and board of directors. The board of directors wanted to increase this float and they couldn't get the votes. So they found a different way to dilute it, and it is absolutely happening. And it's unfortunate that people don't see it that way. They say, well, it's going to strengthen the balance sheet for AMC. Okay. At whose expense? Because there is no path to profitability there. All right. I beat that one up enough. Let's talk about the next thing that I'm currently going over. It's WAGMI gaming, right? Any Web 3.0 gaming that's coming out. There's about 6 of them right now on Mutable X that are partnering up with GameStop. Guys, 6 games. That's it. It's not a bad thing. It's a good thing. What you want to see is that a company like WAGMI is developing a platform that's Web 2.0 based, like the games you already play. You don't have to sign in. You don't have to link your wallet. You don't have to do any of that. You can just play the game. But over time, it's going to teach you how to adapt and start using it like a Web 3.0 game. You can then start doing the little tiers and signing up and logging in. But you don't have to have that access right away. If you're not comfortable and you just want to play a game, well, there's a game. But the game only has to have how much? How many people does it have to have? If Clash Royale, which is the same style game, right? This user-based, turn-based game, 3-minute games. If Clash Royale has 60 million people, it's even more than that. It's like 6 billion people. I don't even know what it is, really. 600 million people, right? So you want a 100 million user game, but if you can get 100,000 people, hey, we're successful. If you can get 10,000 people, we're successful. We're successful with one person because that 1 turns into 2, and the 2 turns into 4, and the 4 turns into 8, and you can keep figuring that out. That organic grassroots movement will happen in time when it goes live, but it's about the marketplace. That's why I have this channel. That's why I've been pushing for GameStop and what they're doing. We do this for this reason. How many of you guys would have a wallet if we weren't passing around free? I say free NFTs. They're not free. They cost money. Those artists make money off of them. They sell them. There's a whole marketplace for them. They're free on this channel. They're not free. I could shut down giveaways for a whole week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 4 weeks. Maybe I wouldn't have anything to give away. But we do it so that you can get used to paste and copy. It's just muscle memory at this point. And when WAGMI Gaming comes out, WAGMI Defense, the game itself, muscle memory. I have people, well, Marantz, it's not as polished as this other game that was coming out. I said, yeah, there's AAA games that come out. There's Subway Surfer and Bejeweled, and I don't even know. Do I care? No, because they're not connected with GameStop. But what do you think? You think I'm going to bring you a lackluster product? I'm not. This thing's coming. It's going to be great. And then you're going to be like, you know what? I'm earning money playing. I'm earning something. There's a reason why I'm here. You've been sucking away a lot of lifetime right here, hanging out with me and or playing Call of Duty, Halo, Fortnite. You can't take any of that with you. It's tied to your machine. You got to sell your whole PlayStation to sell something that you bought. My Fortnite account's worth like $4,000. I'm telling you, we hold every skin for like the first 9 seasons. My son said, Dad, I want that one. I want that one. I want that one. And I don't care. Son, whatever you want. I want to make my son happy. Here you go. Pop, boom. But now I have a game, and games, plural, games coming out, connected, built upon the immutable X technology that's connected with GameStop. Now we're building upon this, and it's going to be integrated. It's just going to happen. Hell yeah, I want to go with WAGMI. I want to see what WAGMI's all about, and I'm going to roll with it. Join me. It's going to be easy. I'm going to be streaming it. I'm going to do the best I can. I don't know how I'm going to stream it. I don't know if it's going to work on my computer. I don't know. It's just mobile. I have all those questions, right? But I'm getting the answers slowly. We have time. Probably won't go live in the beta mode until about October. Shit, guys. By next year. Hear me. By next year. Remember, a year ago, we didn't even have the marketplace, right? We were just excited about hiring new people. By next year, you're going to have games connecting with games and your NFT wallet. By the year after that, what are you going to have next? And the year after that, and the year after that, and the year after, what are you going to have, guys? This is a never dying industry. It's growing because it's peer-to-peer. The only way your stuff is not worth something is if everybody deems it not worth something. But we're all giving it value the minute we start trading it back and forth. This is why it can't fail. Because it's me, it's you, it's everyone together. It's players, it's creators. And we have the power. Yes, Ryan Cohen, Larry Chang, Alan Adel, they gave us this. They gave us the building blocks. Let's start building. GameStop. Can't stop, won't stop. GameStop. Maybe they'll understand one day, millionaires. I doubt it. Peace.